We all appreciate great service. That's why we work so hard to give everyone the very best. And nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone we've made very happy with our service. Here's what they had to say. We pride ourselves in providing the best possible service now and in the future, and this type of feedback motivates us to keep working hard. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think that we're the right business for you. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.